Finally guys, I fixed my stereo. My stereo works fine now. Look at that guys. Stereo work easy guys. Finally guys, for 2 hours almost, or maybe 3 hours, been looking how we're gonna fix my amp. So my amp, most time is you have to be changed the amp, but I found a solution. And what's the cause the problem to the amp doesn't work and there is no sound. So guys, if you want to fix this problem, this is the first process you have to do before you change your amp. So it's like you have to look for the fuse for the amp fuse. Trust me guys, there is no video for, there is no like image on Google what is the location for fuse for the amp. So this is gonna be the only one video guys, and please like, share and subscribe, because most people they watch the video and doesn't do the like. I waste times just to find solution guys, just like show you guys how to fix your own car. So now we're gonna show you what is the fuse location for the amp for your car, for the G35 and G35Z Nissan. So stay with me guys, I gotta show you what it is. Okay guys, so the amp fuse and the G35 2003 2007 or Nissan 350Z is gonna be underneath of the hood. So we gotta do, you go on this side here guys, got this plastic up, and it's gotta be location. I'm gonna move this one in place. Location's gotta be here guys. So which one guys? This one gotta show you, because this one doesn't say anything. So what you have to do, I found this was the one over here guys. It's gotta be the second one on your left side. This one here, it was not burned, but it was dust. There is no communication, there is not, you cannot test. So I remove it and I clean it really good. I send it with sandpaper. As soon as I put it back, my stereo start work back again. So this is the location for. Oh guys, you see it's really easy position, but just to find that fuse cost me almost 3 hours been looking guys. So really weird question, because I've been looking Google, YouTube, there is no one can show you the location for. And the same thing what you do, you recommend change the amp. And the amp is not cheap guys. You have to get a used one, you have to pay almost 120, it could be work, it could be not. So this is the issue. So please guys, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So I just got for work, and don't forget, always love, like. See you next video guys.